like an apple, bright and round. Green like the grass that grows on the ground. Blue like the sky so big and high. Yellow like the sun up in the sky. Colors, colors everywhere, in the clothes and in your hair. Colors, colors bright and fun, let's name them one by one. Orange like the juicy fruit. Purple grapes are super cute. Black like the cat who loves the night. White like the snow so clean and bright. Colors, colors, here we go. Let's find colors high and low. Colors, colors all around, in every shape and every sound. Pink like flowers in the spring. Brown like bears that dance and sing. Colors make the world so bright. Let's find colors left and right.